Hello guys, this is Adam and in front of me is the M5 MacBook Pro 14-inch and we have a Blender opened. We have Apple M5 GPU 10 cores, and basically what we want to do, we will have this against the RTX 5060 from NVIDIA. Now this is what we are working with, which is the MacBook Pro 14-inch M5 with 16GB of RAM. These are the numbers for the RTX 5060. Simply it is in the ballpark of 12 seconds, 0.8, and that's the average of 3 runs. So we're gonna go ahead do the same test here where we will be doing supported and then GPU preferences. In preferences we have 10 core GPU, so we're gonna go ahead and do 3 renders and then we will see. So what we got is 17 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and run it again, so we're gonna go ahead and do render. And so far the difference is about 5 seconds between an RTX 5060, which cost currently in the realm of $350 to $400, and that's after the prices went down, because definitely it was more expensive than that a few months ago. Right now we are looking at 16.7, so basically 16 seconds, and then we're gonna run it a third time and then we will see how much we will be getting. It's done and we got 16.6, and basically what we are looking at is roughly 4 seconds to 5 seconds more. I'm just gonna run it one more time for a good measure, and I feel like each time we do a run we get less and less and better time. Right now it's 16.5, then it was 16.8, and it was 16.7. I'm not sure if we keep running we're gonna run into 15 or not. So for this one what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Eevee, and then from Eevee we are going to do edit. From edit we go to system, and then from system we are using the Apple M5 GPU 10 cores, and then with that we're gonna go ahead and render. Now the first render is the kernel render, just like how it was with the junkyard, so we will not be counting that. We will be counting it from the second and onward, and I did the same thing with the RTX 5060, which the first run was about 26 seconds. However, the second run was actually only 11 seconds or 10 seconds, as you can see here in the monitor. So here on the M5 MacBook Pro we got 12 seconds, and on the RTX 5060 we actually got 10 seconds. So the difference between the two is only 2 seconds. Now again, keep in mind this is the first run on the, so this is the second run, and with the second run using Eevee we got 8 seconds. With Eevee at least the performance is better than an RTX 5060 desktop version with 8GB of VRAM. An RTX 5060 and then an M5 MacBook Pro only 1 second with Eevee on a Blender. That's actually amazing, and that's great, and that definitely shows a lot of progress, because the argument was that these devices needs to be compared against the 50 series graphic card, hence why I got this for testing, and it's actually really good in terms of the results, at least with Blender. That's everything that I have, and I will see you in another one.